You might think that this is a smartwatch, but this is a wrist phone. Yes, this is the fireboltt Dream, and this can run any app on the Play Store. It's super affordable to buy, and let me show you how insane this is. You can put in a physical 4G LTE SIM in this watch and use the internet on the watch. This runs on Android. Yeah, you heard me right. And you can use apps like Google Maps, and just imagine how easy navigation will be with this. You can stream music without having to have a phone, and it can even run Instagram. And watching videos on this beautiful 2.02-inch display is so much fun, because I could never do that before. You get LTE, Wi-Fi support and GPS built in, so you can use this watch just like a phone. And obviously you can make phone calls with this, plus you can connect wireless earphones to the watch as well. You get all the health tracking features of a smartwatch as well. Best of both worlds. The display supports 60Hz refresh rate, and the performance is super smooth with no stutter and lags, and it's quite fun to use. Did I say that you can even swipe on this watch and even connect a mouse to this watch? Yes, we can. For rupees 5,999, this is a fun smartwatch to have. So share this with someone who's looking to buy a new smartwatch, and see you tomorrow.